Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. How are you?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Okay. Walaikum salam. Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Hamdan. He left the meeting. Yes, so how are you? Your mobile is not in your hand right now.
Yes, sir. My phone is got damaged.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Hamdan and Abdurrahman. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. How are you both?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Thank you so much. And you, my brother?
Yes, I'm also fine, fantastic, great. How are you
Yes.
doing right now? Everything is good?
Everything, sir. Alhamdulillah. Everything is fine.
Okay.
Everything is well. Fantastic, superb, amazing, wonderful.
Okay. So I would like to appreciate Mr. Abdurrahman, like he started sending the voice recording. Okay. Like this was the
Yes, yes.
first day he sent in the class, in the
Yes.
group. Yes.
Today I have sent my voice recording.
Okay. So you have to maintain the consistency. Like this is not for only one day. This is for daily. Okay.
Inshallah, now I will send you my voice continue
Okay. Yes.
every
Good.
day.
Yes. Every day we have to record something. Okay. Any lesson or your past memory, anything you can send. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Hmm. So we should wait for others like Madiha can join, and like Iram Khan. She messaged me like I am so tired today, so I'm not going to join the class. So we are not going to wait for her. Okay. Okay. So I think let's start our class. Okay. Let me share my screen. Then one thing just I would like to reiterate. Then we will continue our class. And I would like to appreciate Mr. Hamdan also. Like he is also consistent in the recording activity. And yes, Iram Rizvi was also consistent, but her mobile got damaged. Okay, because of this, she is not able to send now. So one thing I have to just told you all. 1 minute. So my screen is visible or not? Please inform.
Yes, visible.
Okay, 1 minute. So just one thing I have to show you all, then we will start. So like this is the tracker which we are tracking everything. So if someone is going to send most of the recording in the entire month, so there is one surprise for him also. Okay, like there are number of days 30. Someone sent 20, 15, 25. So the highest number is going to get some surprise, like one gift I'm going to send him. Okay, in the last of month. And also like we are going to send the gift like if someone is going to achieve the first rank in the test. And in the future we are also going to start inshallah for the three students like first, second and third. Okay, so this was the thing which I told you all. Got it? It is good or not? Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman
Yes,
and
I have got it.
yes, Iram Rizvi and Mr. Hamdan.
Yes, sir.
It is good?
Yes, yes.
Yes. to just so you can get some inspiration, you can get some goals, like okay, so we have to be consistent, because in both cases you are going to get the benefit. Okay, if you are going to send, you will get the benefit. If you are not going to send, so it is your choice. Okay, so you can see everything, because if we are going to see in front of us anything like this is happening, so we are going to be motivated. And one more thing I have to share with you all, like you all know, like every day I invite one guest. Okay, so just this month guest I'm going to invite, and just I have to know the like date, on which date we can invite, because I was thinking like on 15th of August. So I think like there will be no class on 15th of August, there will be holiday. So let's see on which date we can invite. Okay, let me just open the calendar, so let's decide the date. Because why am I asking with you all? Because I need 100% attendance. No one can, no one have to miss the guest class. So like today is 6th of August, 8, 9, 10, 11. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday 14. Okay, Saturday को 15th of August है. So I was thinking like 10th of July, 10th of August, Monday, Sunday, Monday या फिर हाँ yes Monday. So I was thinking about the 10th of August. What you all are thinking? आप लोग क्या लगता है, आप लोग को क्या बोलना चाहो? Please tell. Or any other date? Yes. अरे भाई, I'm asking you all like Mr. Abdul Rahman Hamdan Iram Rizvi. Which date will be best?
Sir, I said it is okay if you want to invite him on 10th on August. No problem.
And what about Mr. Hamdan and Abdul Rahman? They are silent.
Okay, brother. Monday is best.
Okay, Monday is best. Mr. Hamdan? Mr. Hamdan is there or not? First tell me. Because I think sometimes
sir,
he
he is
face... Yes? Okay. Because sometimes he face some network issue and he disappear. So why you are not speaking, only giving the thumbs up? Hmm? Yes, Mr. Abdul Rahman.
हेलो
Why
हेलो
are... Yes, we are listening.
आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, why? We are listening. Speak. Why you are not speaking?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ जब से चिल्ला चिल्ला के आवाज ही नहीं जा रही थी.
I am unable to listen to you. Okay, so I was asking about the date. Which date or which day is perfect?
मंडे.
Okay, so
17
Monday, like on Monday,
17 August.
10th,
17 August.
17 अगस्त, तो 17 को नेक्स्ट मंडे. ओके, 10 अगस्त को नहीं, ये मंडे को नहीं.
Okay, 10
अगला.
August.
हाँ,
Do this 10 August.
okay. So 10th of August,
Yeah.
I will just talk. And would you like to know the guest name for this month?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Please
Who
share
is
about
guest?
Abdul Mubin.
Abdul Mubin.
Abdul Mubin
Yeah.
will be the guest for this month, and he is our classmate, like Abdul Rahman
Yeah.
and my. So he has done some degrees from Aligarh Muslim University, and now finally, Alhamdulillah, he is running his own coaching academy. Okay, and he's
Yes, yes.
multi-talented a person. Okay, so we are going
Yes,
to
I know that.
Yes.
I know. Mubin is my best friend. Mubin is my friend, brother.
Yes. So he has like multiple knowledge about general knowledge about language, and
Yes, sir.
so we are going to
Okay.
learn lots of things. Okay. So that's why I was asking to just be present. I need 100% attendance, okay, on the guest session, because
Okay,
if we
inshallah.
are talking with someone, like please when you are free, can you give some time? So because nowadays everyone is busy, no one can give 1 hour. But if someone is agree to just give the 1 hour, so we have to respect. We have to just take something, okay, something
Yes,
important
sir.
if someone
So,
is
sir,
going to say.
what is the final date? 10 or 17?
Okay, now of the final date I will announce, because I have to first talk with him, because he agreed.
Okay.
Like, okay, you can ask, but I have to talk with him. Then I will announce in the group the final date, and also I will
Yes.
release one video, so everyone will be aware about it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Safik sir,
Yes.
when you when you call Sheikh Nasir?
Yes, yes, Sheikh Nasir. I was thinking like Sheikh Nasir, Nasir, Abdullah Nasir, or Nasir.
Abdullah Nasir.
Nasir
Barelvi.
Khan. Okay, so
Nasir Barelvi.
I will just talk with everyone who is fluent
Yes,
in
okay,
English
okay,
and
okay.
who has command over the language in the
Uh,
Aurora classes. They learn in
yes,
the
yes.
Aurora classes like Habibullah, Abdul Mubin, Nasir. So I'm going to talk
Okay.
everyone, and we are going to invite here as a guest, and we are going to learn the every activity, what they have done, how they learn, and if you are going to learn the everyone's journey, so you have to
Where
adopt
does
something.
where does Habibullah read nowadays?
So every where he is now, he is in West Bengal. He is as a teacher,
Mhm.
working as a teacher, I think.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Mashallah.
Yes, so every month we are going to just talk with someone, and we are going to just take some knowledge, some experiences from different uh, people. Okay, so so
What?
that was the thing which I have to announce, and let's start our class. Okay,
Okay.
so we are
What are you
now
doing,
going
Nasir,
to, yeah,
nowadays?
yes.
What is doing Nasir?
Okay, Nazir is working in a company like in Amazon in Bangalore.
Amazon,
Yes,
Bangalore, mashallah.
yes,
Mashallah, this is great.
yes. So, okay, so let's start our class. And so
Okay,
we are
okay.
learning about the model verbs. And just yesterday we started the chapter. So let's start today. Okay. So, okay, what is could? And could is the past form of can. We all are aware about the can. Can Can
Yes,
is
sir.
a present. Yes, can is a present, and could is a past form. Like could is a past form of can. Can का past form could है, ठीक है? So, but it has many uses beyond simply talking about the past. लेकिन इसका यूज सिर्फ यही नहीं है कि आप पास्ट में बात करने के लिए ही यूज करोगे, ठीक है? सो इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट versatile and widely used model verbs in spoken English. सो लाइक कुड का यूज मल्टीपल जगह पे होता है, बहुत ज्यादा जगह पे होता है, तो कभी कभी हम बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि कहाँ पे होगा. सो सिंपली यहाँ पे बताया कुड इज अ पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ कैन. कैन का पास्ट फॉर्म कुड है, ठीक है? Okay, but abhi if you are going to use, so you can use in past form. You can use to just show the ability and possibility and politeness. So in different situation you are going to use the could. Okay, so let's see the use. Okay, so let's see the use and example. Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, you can start reading. So you we are going to understand, okay, about the could.
And food.
Yes.
What is could? Could is the past form of the can, but it has many uses beyond simply talking about the past. It is one of the most uh,
Versatile.
versatile,
हाँ, versatile.
versatile and widely used modal verbs in spoken English. Use ability in the past. Example, I could run very fast when I was young. polite request. Could you please close the door? Polite permission. Could I borrow your pen for a minute? Possibility. It could rain later this evening. Suggestion. Yes. Could try the new bakery near the station.
Okay. So, like there are 2 to 4 and 5. 5 type of usage, okay, of could. Could को कहाँ कहाँ यूज करना है, उसके 5 टाइप्स हैं. जैसे एबिलिटी इन द पास्ट, पास्ट में कोई एबिलिटी बताना. सो यहाँ पे क्या एग्जाम्पल था, आई कुड रन वेरी फास्ट, मैं बहुत तेज दौड़ सकता था. व्हेन आई वाज यंग, जब मैं छोटा था. हाँ. एंड आई कुड स्विम व्हेन आई वाज यंग, जब मैं स्विम कर सकता था जब मैं छोटा था. So yes, Vishnu Abdurrahman, can you make one more sentences using could as a ability in the past? Past में ability show करने के लिए, can you make one sentence?
Ability.
Yes, like
I
first.
could. I could swim very fast
मेरा
when I
कॉपी
was.
क्यों कर रहे हो? Why you are copying my sentence?
Okay. Listen, brother. Listen again.
हाँ.
I could beat him when I was young, strong.
I could.
I could beat him
Okay.
when I was young.
Okay, I could beat him when I was young. ठीक है, अच्छा सेंटेंस एक बन गया, लेकिन ठीक है, जो भी है. एंड then the second was the polite request. Polite request के लिए, could you please close the door? ये एक सेंटेंस है. I am going to make one more sentence, okay? Could you please pass the glass of water? You have to make one more sentence.
Could you please bring me a glass of water?
Okay, so one more time you just copy my sentence, okay? Could you
Bring मैं
please?
यूज किया हूँ ना.
हाँ.
मैं bring यूज किया हूँ.
Could you please pass that salt? Okay, Iram Rizvi is going to tell. Yes, polite request में. Iram, can you make one sentence and don't copy others,
Yes,
okay?
Yes, sir. Could you please teach me that problem, how to solve it?
Could you please teach me that problem, how to solve it? Okay, great. Yes. Done. So just I was asking, you all are getting or not? The could का अगर 5 यूज है, उसमें से अगर तुमको 3 या 2 पता है तो भी ना इनफ है.
Got it.
Yes. So polite
sir,
permission, yes, polite request के लिए and polite permission के लिए. Could I borrow your pen for a minute? यहाँ पे permission लेने के लिए, ठीक है? Could I use your phone for a while? Okay, so like this, you can just polite permission. You can ask for the permission. And possibility, it could rain later this evening. जहां पे possibility ऐसा लग रहा है कि it could rain later. ये मतलब बारिश हो सकती है. बाद में इस अभी शाम में बारिश हो सकती है. And suggestion. So this was about the could. Now I hope you got the idea. Could क्या है? Can का past, can का past could है. Could कितने मीनिंग में यूज होता है या कितने उसके टाइप्स हैं, कहाँ कहाँ यूज करेंगे? So there are 5 types. You don't have to just remember or memorize the 5 types. You can use just remember in your mind 5 sentences. It is good. Okay? 5 sentences को माइंड में रखोगे तो वो इससे ज्यादा बेटर है कि तुम ये यूज करो, मतलब रटो इसको. एबिलिटी, पोलाइट एंड पोलाइट परमिशन, पॉसिबिलिटी, ये सब.
ब्रदर जैसे I want to give one example possibility जैसे like that may I call जैसे could he come in this morning? It is a possibility sentence.
No, you have to use in possibility like he could come this morning. Yes.
So he could come in the morning.
Yes, he could come in the morning. So this is a this is showing the possibility. Okay.
Okay.
So, like you have to also remember the some structure, like ability में could कहाँ यूज हो रहा है, पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट में कहाँ यूज, पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट एंड पोलाइट परमिशन में दोनों में कुड पहले यूज हो रहा है, और पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए आपको पहले मतलब सब्जेक्ट आ रहा है उसके बाद कुड आ रहा है. ओके. जैसे यहाँ पे इट कुड रेन लेटर दिस इवनिंग, सो ही कुड कम दिस इवनिंग, और इट कुड हैपन इन द नाइट. सो इस तरह से आपको जस्ट सेंटेंस याद रखना है, उस हिसाब से आप मल्टीपल सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हैं. ग्रेट. सो नाउ आई होप कि आपको आइडिया हो गया कि कुड क्या है, कुड को यूज कैसे करना है, उसके सेंटेंसेस कैसे बनाने हैं. इट इज क्लियर और नॉट, और डू यू हैव एनी कंफ्यूजन?
It is a clear. There is no confusion.
Okay, there is no confusion. Okay, so this was the first model verb. The second model verb is should. Okay, so yes, who is going to read? Yes, Iram Rizvi, you can read.
What is should? Should is used to give advice, express duty, or talk about what is expected or morally right. It is softer than must, but stronger than a simple suggestion. Use examples. Giving advice. You should see a doctor about that cough. Making suggestions. We should leave early to avoid traffic. Duty and responsibility. Employees should follow the safety rules. Expectations. The package should arrive by tomorrow. Moral obligation. We should help those in need.
Okay, good. Yes, Iram Rizvi, I think we are getting some unwanted voice from your background. There may be anything
Sir,
like mic problem or anything.
Sir, I think it is voice of my fan.
Okay. Okay. So
Sir, you still get
no,
still
I
not?
think like it is better. Like I'm not going to tell you read, because no one is going to understand anything.
Okay, no
Yes.
problem.
Yes. Let me ask, Mr. Abdurrahman and Hamdan, did you listen everything properly? What Iram Rizvi read?
I am listening little bit.
Yes, because there are some matlab noise, unwanted noise in the background, which we are getting a lot.
I am listening little bit, brother.
Yes, little
I am
bit.
listening not loudly.
Okay.
No,
Sir,
So
tell
when
me you still got unwanted voice?
her voice is not coming.
Yes.
yes, so I think there are some problem in mic or anything. If you are going to just get your mobile phone, so it will be better.
Okay, sir. No
When you are going to get your mobile phone?
maybe, sir, tomorrow.
Okay,
Or
okay.
day
So
after
we can
tomorrow.
yes, you can manage. So
Okay.
let's understand it. Okay. So yes, what is should? Should is used to give advice. Should को हम क्यों यूज करते हैं? एडवाइस देने के लिए. ठीक है, ये भी एक मॉडल वर्ब है. शुड मतलब तुम्हें ऐसा करना चाहिए. यू आर गेटिंग इन हिंदी. हिंदी में समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
यस. सो शुड मीन्स तुम्हें ऐसा करना चाहिए. शुड चाहिए. ठीक है. एंड इसका मीनिंग क्या था? कुड मीन्स ऐसा कर सकते थे. कुड ऐसा कर सकते थे तुम. ठीक है. और शुड तुम्हें ऐसा करना चाहिए एडवाइस के लिए. सो शुड इज यूज टू गिव एडवाइस, एक्सप्रेस ड्यूटी, ड्यूटी को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, और टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड और मोरली राइट. ओके. एंड इट इज ऑफन इट इज सॉफ्टर देन मस्ट. सो यहाँ पे मस्ट का भी इसने बताया है कि मस्ट से सॉफ्ट है. शुड मीन्स लाइक एडवाइस के लिए तुम्हें चाहिए, और मस्ट भी है चाहिए के लिए. ठीक है. लेकिन दोनों में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है. यहाँ पे बोला है कि शुड जो है थोड़ा सॉफ्ट है, और मस्ट में और भी ज्यादा पावर है. ठीक है. अगर कोई मस्ट बोले तो मतलब कोई चांस नहीं इग्नोर करने का. बट स्ट्रॉन्गर देन अ सिंपल सजेशन. ओके. सो आई होप शुड क्या है? शुड ये भी एक मॉडल वर्ब है जो कि एडवाइस के लिए यूज होता है. इसका मीनिंग है चाहिए. Okay, we are going to read some examples also. So yes, there are some examples like use and examples like giving advice. अगर आप किसी को advice दे रहे हो, if you are giving the advice to someone, so you are going to make the sentence like this: You should see a doctor about that cough. मतलब तुम्हें एक डॉक्टर से मिलना चाहिए या डॉक्टर को दिखाना चाहिए इस कफ के बारे में जो तुम्हें खांसी हो रही है उसके बारे में. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे क्या बोला? यू शुड सी ए डॉक्टर. मतलब तुम्हें डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए, डॉक्टर को दिखाना चाहिए. सो मीनिंग हम क्या कर रहे हैं? शुड. सो ये इसमें क्या शुड क्यों यूज हो रहा है? एडवाइस के लिए, गिविंग एडवाइस. गॉट इट? इट इज क्लियर?
Yes, I got it.
Yes. So Mr. Abdurrahman, can you give one more sentence using the giving advice? Use the should. If you got
You
it.
should take a mobile, but there is not coming in your voice. You are not listening.
No, I am listening, but I think you can make any other sentence. It is not
Other sentence. Okay.
relatable.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
Make simple sentence. Okay, simple sentence
Yeah.
using like should.
You should teach me a
You
lot
should.
of
You should
explain.
eat.
You should teach me more vocabulary, more
Okay.
idioms
Yes.
in
Now.
our class.
Yes. Now good. Yes. You got it. Okay. So it is good.
Okay.
So like giving advice. You are giving the advice. You should teach us more vocabulary or more grammar. Okay. And any advice you can give to anyone. Should को use करना है, आप advice दोगे. You should wait there. You should drink 2 liters of water every day. You should visit. You should eat apples daily. So you are using should to just giving the advice to someone and making suggestions. Suggestion के लिए. ठीक है. We should leave early to avoid traffic. ठीक है. यहाँ पे सजेशन के लिए शुड यूज हो रहा है. ठीक है. सजेशन के लिए. सजेशन मतलब किसी को सजेस्ट कर रहे हो कुछ. यू शुड लीव अर्ली टू अवॉइड ट्रैफिक. तुम्हें पहले चले जाना चाहिए ताकि ट्रैफिक ना मिले तुमको. ओके. एंड यू शुड प्रिपेयर ऑल द चैप्टर बिफोर द एग्जाम. एग्जाम से पहले तुम्हें सारे चैप्टर प्रिपेयर कर लेने चाहिए. ये भी एक सजेशन हो गया. यस, इरम कैन ऑल्सो गिव वन सजेशन यूजिंग शुड.
You should always use English content and then record your voice recording in print on Pro.
Okay, so yes, this is also a type of suggestion which you can give to anyone. Okay, and duty and responsibility. So these are duty and responsibility. Like employees should follow the safety rules and the expectations. The package should arrive by tomorrow. And moral obligation. Obligation मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा necessary, ज़रूरी. Like we should help those in need. ठीक है. जरूरत में हमें उन लोगों की मदद करनी चाहिए. So these are the 5 usage of should. Should के 5 usage यहाँ पे हमने देखे हैं. So yes, would. This is about the would. Would का भी है. I think this is enough. Now it's 10 p.m. So we can start our news reading. What do you think? Would.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because
We
there
should
is
start news.
there is would, and next let's see. Okay, types of formula and example. Then there are a daily conversation using could, should, and would. Okay, at home, at work, at restaurant, with friend. देन डिफरेंस बिटवीन कुड, शुड एंड वुड, ठीक है। उसके बाद क्या है हमारे पास, उसके बाद है कॉमन मिस्टेक्स एंड करेक्शंस, 10 एरर है हमारे पास, उसका करेक्शन है। उसके बाद आई थिंक रूल्स टू रिमेम्बर, रूल्स हैं। देन लर्न थ्रू ए स्टोरी, द वेडिंग प्लानर्स प्रॉमिस, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे एक स्टोरी भी है बहुत अच्छी इसको सीखने के लिए। देन देर आर सम स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस, सो यहाँ पे हमारा फिर राउंड स्टार्ट होगा, उसके बाद एक्सरसाइजेस हैं। सो अभी आई थिंक 2 से 3 दिन ये चैप्टर चलेगा हमारा। Okay, so let's move on the next part about the news reading part. Okay, so where is the news? So I got 2 recordings today, like Hamdan and Abdurrahman. Okay, Hamdan and Abdurrahman. So today's topic is the value of gratitude. Where is the news? Okay, yes, yes. Let's open it. So this news is visible for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start. This is the news from Al Jazeera, and it news about the Sheikh Hasina. Okay, कहाँ की प्राइम मिनिस्टर थी ये पहले?
बांग्लादेश।
यस, बांग्लादेश की प्राइम मिनिस्टर थी, लेकिन अभी
Prime Minister of Bangladesh.
यस। So let's read. ex-PM Sheikh Hasina announces plan to return to Bangladesh. The decision of the 78 years old outed leader comes despite her facing the death penalty in Bangladesh. So you have to take the pauses and read very patiently, okay? Ousted Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Yes, Abdurrahman, you can start reading from there. Former Bangladesh Prime Minister.
Former Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has said she will return to her country after 2 years in exile in India, despite facing
Exile.
despite exile,
Hmm.
exile in India, despite facing the death penalty.
Penalty बोलो ना, penalty.
Penalty.
Yes.
Penalty. The 28-year-old who was
Dramatically. Yes.
dramatically ousted
Ousted.
following
Ousted.
ousted following a brutal crackdown on protesters in 2024.
Yes.
Made the announcement on Wednesday via video
Via.
link at the
Wednesday via
Via.
video link.
Wednesday via
Via.
video link at an event hosted by the foreign
Okay,
correspondents
foreign
Club.
correspondents.
So correspondence
Okay.
correspondence
Hmm.
club FCC of South Asia alongside her son Sajib Wajid Joy and other Awami luggage
Okay.
leaders including former Education Minister Mohibul Hassan Chaudhry Naufel.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Minister Mohibul Hassan Chaudhry Naufel. Yes. So yes, it was good, Mr. Abdurrahman. Thank you for reading. So do you have the diary or pen right now with you?
Yes, brother.
Okay, so write down the words. The first word, exile, EXILE, exile. You have to write it down. Okay. Okay. Right. EXILE, exile. लिख लिए?
Yes.
Okay. And the second, despite facing penalty. Okay. Second word you have to write penalty. Write it. Penalty. Written? Written or not?
Yes, brother, I have written.
Yes, and Mr. Hamdan and Iram
brother.
Rizvi, they both, if they want, they can also write it. Dramatically, you can also write it. Dramatically. Please do fast. DRAMATICALLY. Dramatically. Done? And this word you have to also write it down. OUSTED. Ousted. Following a brutal crackdown on protesters in 2024, made the announcement on Wednesday. Have you written it or not? Mr. Abdurrahman, are you there or you left the meeting?
Available.
Yes,
I am
available.
present.
Okay, so dramatically is done.
Yes.
Okay, via. VIA, via. Done?
Yes.
Okay, correspondence. CORRESPONDENTS. Correspondence. Foreign Correspondence Club. FCC. Done? CORRESPONDENTS. Correspondence. South Asia alongside her son Sajib Wajid Joy and the other Awami League leader, including for Education Minister. Okay, done, Mr. Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just you have written down all these vocabulary. You have to just see the pronunciation of all these vocabulary. What you have to do, you have to just type all these words in the Google and you have to listen the pronunciation. Then you have to just see the vocabulary. Okay, like meaning, and you can also see the synonyms and make one sentences with the vocabulary. Don't just mug up or memorize the word, just memorize the sentence. Got it or not? Got it? I am not getting any reply. Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman.
Yes.
Yes.
I have memorized this word meaning, this vocabulary, and with synonyms.
Yes, and the first priority is pronunciation. Second is meaning, and then synonyms, and you have to make the sentences. Vishram, then you can start reading. Like, I may be detained. Mr. Abdurrahman is there in the meeting or not?
Yes.
Not there.
Oh no, I was talking of the Hamdan. Hamdan is there or not?
Yes, sir. Hamdan is not there.
Oh, so Iram, you can start, but we are getting lots of noise. So, okay, wait. I may be detained, I may be sent to prison, but fear cannot decide my duty to the people. She said, I cannot stay away while my beloved countrymen are suffering. She said the exact date of the return will be announced when the time comes, but she wants it to be in December this year. And Hasina's added that the ban on her Awami League party should be lifted. Her son said they were not in contact with the current government. Hmm. Okay, death penalty. Following Hasina's failed bid to suppress the 2024 student-led revolution that had stopped her from power, she fled to New Delhi via helicopter and has not returned to Bangladesh since. Last year, she ousted leader refused to attend her trial in Dhaka, where she was found guilty of incitement, ordering killings, and failing to prevent atrocities. She was sentenced to hang for crimes against humanity. Her promise to return comes as Bangladesh and India seek to repair strained ties. Okay, so I think it is enough. Let's know the word meaning.
Sir, I already searched the meanings of difficult words while you were reading.
Okay, it is good. So if I'm going to read, you have to just tell the meaning. EX.
So,
EX PM Sheikh Hasina. What is the meaning of EX?
sir, someone
Former.
PM in past.
Yes, former. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Past और former मतलब लास्ट का प्राइम मिनिस्टर उसको बोलते हैं EX. PM Sheikh Hasina announces plan to return to Bangladesh. So there is no any difficult word. You got the sentence. You got the heading. Like heading समझ में आ गया, ठीक है? Now the decision of the 78 years old ousted. What is the meaning of ousted leader? OUS. Huh?
It means removed from a position or forced out, यानी कि उनको उनकी पोजीशन से हटा देना.
Okay. Ousted means उसको पोजीशन से हटा दिया गया. Ousted leader. Okay. And what is the pronunciation of this?
Ousted sir.
So sometimes I also confused. Like what is the pronunciation? The correct pronunciation, because we have to know the correct. Because if one time you are going to memorize or mug up the wrong pronunciation, in the entire life you are not going to remove it.
Ousted है.
Oust.
यस, oust यहाँ पे बोल रहा है तो ousted ही है, मतलब हम लोग सही पढ़ रहे थे, ठीक है?
Oust.
Ousted.
Yes, sir.
A leader comes despite her facing the death penalty in Bangladesh. बांग्लादेश में इनको डेथ पेनल्टी मिला था, ठीक है? यहाँ पे एक और वर्ड है. ओके, ousted ही है ये, ousted बांग्लादेशी प्राइम मिनिस्टर. ओके, got it. Wait. Former Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has said she will return to her country after 2 years in exile in India. Okay, exile का meaning क्या है?
Sir, it means to force someone to leave their country.
Yes, forcefully. Yes, forcefully जब किसी को किसी के कंट्री से भगा दिया जाता है उसको बोलते हैं exile ना.
जी, इसके लिए एक वर्ड और दिया इन लोगों ने, banishment.
Yes, good. So exile का means पता चला मिस्टर अब्दुल रहमान?
एक्साइल भगा देना.
हाँ, फोर्सफुली भगा देना, और इसको तुम जलावतन भी बोल सकते हो. उर्दू में बोलते हैं जलावतन. सो इसको मतलब अगर उनकी कंट्री में उनको डेथ पेनल्टी मिल गई, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोल दिया, तो किसी कोई बचा नहीं सकता। सिर्फ एक चांस है, तुम उस कंट्री में ही नहीं रहोगे तो बच सकते हो। तो इंडिया में वो है, मतलब जब से आई है तब से इंडिया में ही है, इंडिया ने उनको मतलब रखा है, समझ लो, ठीक है। सो अभी ऐसा कुछ प्लान बन रहा होगा कि अपनी कंट्री में जाना है तो कब जाना है, कैसे जाना है, उसका पूरा प्लान बनाना पड़ेगा ना, गवर्नमेंट कौन सी है, क्या होगा अभी। So exile means वही है, in India despite facing the death penalty and the 78 years old 78 साल की हो, okay, who was dramatically ousted following a brutal crackdown। brutal मतलब बहुत ही गंदी तरीके से, बहुत ही ज्यादा, और क्रैकडाउन का मतलब वही होता है जिसको मतलब क्रैकडाउन ऑन प्रोटेस्टर्स, मतलब किसी को मारना या किसी को कोई काम करा तो उसको रोकना, ठीक है।
कड़ी कार्रवाई।
हाँ, कार्रवाई, यस, सिंपल वर्ड में तुम कार्रवाई, हाँ कार्रवाई बोल सकते हो, ठीक है। सो क्रैकडाउन ऑन प्रोटेस्टर्स, जो प्रोटेस्टर पर कार्रवाई की गई थी इन 2024, मेड द अनाउंसमेंट ऑन वेडनेसडे वाया, उन्होंने एक अनाउंसमेंट बनाया था वेडनेसडे को वाया वीडियो लिंक। वाया मतलब होता है कि इसके थ्रू, इसके जरिए से, ये वर्ड आपको स्टेशन पे भी बहुत ज्यादा यूज होता हुआ दिखेगा, ठीक है। सो इसको बोलते हैं वाया, ठीक है। जैसे प्रोनाउंसिएशन थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक था अब्दुल रहमान का, सो इसको वाया, VIA, वाया। दिस ट्रेन विल डिपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस स्टेशन एंड इट विल रीच वाया this is the last destination, okay. Via video link at an event hosted by the Foreign Correspondents Club FCC of South Asia alongside her son Ajib. Okay, so I think this is enough. We are not going to read more because we don't have lots of time, okay. So let's start our next part, which is about the speaking part. So I thought like I'm not getting any benefit. Every day I send 20 or 30 words after sending the news. So now I finally decided no one is reading it. No, I'm sure. I am 100% sure. No, 100%.
No, sir.
Yes, 100% मैं श्योर हो गया हूँ कि ये न्यूज जो है, ये न्यूज के बाद I thought I have to send the related word meaning. So from tomorrow I am going to just stop sending the vocabulary. I am just we are going to read the news, and if there is any difficult word, I am going to tell you have to write in your notebook. If someone is going to write in his notebook and is going to search the vocabulary, the pronunciation, and the meaning, and he is going to make the sentences, so it will be more good. Okay, if he is going to do by himself.
Yes, sir, but I also used to read when you send me in group.
So okay, I will continue, but I know except you, no one is reading.
Brother, I also used to read this
See,
vocabulary.
Mr. Abdul Rahman,
and
exile word, exile, exile, exile. Parts
exile मतलब भगा देना,
parts
चला
of
वतन करो।
speech, noun. English, a situation in which someone is forced to live outside their own country. देखो कितना अच्छे से मतलब लिखा है, वर्ड लिखा है, उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन लिखा है, क्या है वो, नाउन है, इंग्लिश में मीनिंग लिखा है, जलावतनी है लिखा है, और हिंदी में क्या लिखा है, निर्वासन, निर्वासन। सिनोनिम्स लिखा है, पनिशमेंट और एक्सपल्जन। यही तुम बोल रही थी क्या, एक्सपल्जन। और उसके बाद एग्जाम्पल्स लाइक ही लिव्ड इन एग्जाइल फॉर मैनी इयर्स। सो अगर ये सेंटेंस आपको याद रहेगा तो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू फॉरगेट। सो ओके, सो इफ
I said banishment, not expulsion.
yes,
You asked me na that what I said, the another synonym of exile. So I said
okay,
banishment.
ओके, यस, ऑस्टेड भी है यहाँ पे, ऑस्टेड, Ousted verb है, ठीक है. So okay, if Iram Rizvi is saying like I read the vocabulary and it is good, so I am going to just send, okay, because just it take 5 minutes, only 5 minutes to research the news and just send the vocabulary and send this. Okay, so now we have completed the news reading. We are going to start speaking on this topic today. But where is Mr. Hamdan? He didn't message me. Okay, leave it. Okay, so today, what is our today's topic? Hmm?
I think the importance of gratitude, something like that.
Something like that. Okay, so our today's topic is the importance of gratitude or the value of gratitude. Just see.
Value.
Huh?
The value of gratitude.
Okay.
The value of gratitude.
Gratitude.
May I speak?
Okay, yes, let me just talk 1 minute. I'm not going to take so much time. Okay,
Okay, brother.
yes. So, okay, so
Assalamu
our
alaikum warahmatullahi.
I was telling like give me 1 minute to just give the
Okay.
brief introduction about the topic so you can start. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. So, like our today's topic is the value of gratitude. Okay. So, like whatever the knowledge you have to talk about it first. You can start like, hello, good evening, everyone. So, our today's topic is the value of gratitude, and today we are going to speak on this particular topic. So, first we have to understand what is the meaning of gratitude. Gratitude simply means like thankfulness. Whatever you have to be a thankful. Okay, if you are a healthy person, you have to be thankful for the god, for the Allah. And if you are someone who is just living your life and you have everything, so you have to be grateful. Even if you have the hands and legs, like it is perfectly working, you have to be grateful for this. You don't have to think always like if I will have lots of success in my life, so I will be grateful. No, if you are going to see in the Holy Quran also, so there is a one ayah related to the gratitude. Okay, what is this? La in shakartum la azidannakum wa la in kafartum inna azabi la shadid. If you are going to just be a grateful in any situation, I am going to give more. Okay, if you are going to be a grateful, I am going to give more. And if you are not going to be a grateful person, I will steal, or I'm going to decrease. So anything you can just speak about the gratefulness, like how many types of grateful and where we have to just be a grateful person. So anything related to the gratefulness or thankfulness, you have to talk, you have to speak. So there are lots of time, you both are there only, so take your time and just start speaking on this particular topic. So yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, you can start speaking. Thanks.
Okay, brother.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to everyone. Today, this topic name is the value of gratitude. Now I am going to speak about gratitude.
Open your camera.
Gratitude is the open.
Yes, you can open your camera, so it will be good.
T-shirt पहनना पड़ेगा हमें सही.
Okay. So yes, start.
Okay.
Yes.
Gratitude means thankfulness.
Yes.
I am going to telling you some about some the key of values of gratitude include
Yes.
improves mental well-being. Gratitude promotes happiness, reduces stress, and help people maintain a positive outlook. Like that.
Yes.
And relationship. relationship, expressing appreciation makes other feel valued. Valued. It means building trust and a stronger personal and professional connection. Encourages kindness. Grateful people are often more willing to help other and needy person.
Okay.
Promotes contentment. It reduces feeling of envy and dissatisfies dissatisfied by encouraging appreciation for present circumstance like that we will inspire generosity when people recognize the kindness they receive. They are more likely to give back and support others. Now I'm going to, in conclusion, gratitude is a powerful virtue that enriches both individuals and communities by practicing gratitude every day. We cultivate happiness, strengthen relationship, and develop more positive and fulfilling life like that. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Abdurrahman. It was good for sharing the knowledge about the gratitude. Okay, it was good and amazing. Thank you. Yes, yes, Iram Rizvi, you can start.
Okay, sir. Sir, my voice is clear or not?
Yes, yes, now it is clear.
Okay, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm going to speak on. Uh, Assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm going to
Walaikum
speak
salam.
on today's topic, which is the value of gratitude. So, gratitude means being thankful whatever we have in our life. Uh, it is basically a very good habit which each human being have to which each human being have cause being grateful for the things which we have in our life is very important, because the God is also like only those people who show respect and kindness towards others, uh, for being thankful. For example, if someone help us in our bad time, so it's our duty to help him in his bad time also. But first we have to be thankful to him that he comes forward for our help. In today's world, we see that many people become selfish. They just use others for their benefit, and after that, they treat them very badly, which is very bad. And the God also don't like this, because He teaches us that always show kindness towards each and everything. So it is very necessary for us to be thankful to others, whether they are our parents, our teachers, and our friends, and always being thankful for ourselves also, because sometimes we forget to thankful for ourselves, because we are the ones who always stand with us in every difficult situation, and we pass through many challenges of life individually. So it also become one of the important thing that we have to treat ourselves good so other people also treat us in good manner. If we become hard on ourselves, then others also not treated us well. So, in conclusion, the value of gratitude signifies that always being thankful to everyone and respect everyone and spread kindness among others. And always ready to help others and also appreciate others' work. Thank you so much.
Okay, Iram. So yes, fantastic. It was good and amazing. But we are not able to listen your voice 100%. So yes, like you are joining with the different device. I don't know. It is mobile
Yes,
phone or laptop.
I joined with the Dell laptop.
Okay. So yes, because of this, we are getting some unwanted noise. So, but you always speak very well, I know. But today, you didn't speak more. I don't know the reason why it
Sir,
happened.
because of I intentionally speak less because of device. I thought that if I speak longer,
Okay.
then
Yes. Yes.
I don't know you get or not.
Okay.
So that's why I choose to speak less.
Yes. So it is also good decision you took. So yes, it was good and amazing. Like every day, we have to practice in the voice recording activity and also in the classes. So we are going to get a lot of benefits. Okay, in the class.
Yes, sir. Inshallah.
Yes, and I can also see if someone is serious and he is curious to learn and he face any challenges in the life, so he's going to just put some efforts. Okay, because you can also remember the saying of Atikur Rahman sir. He said, if the teacher is going to give the 40%, you have to pay the attention 60%. Okay, then you are going to
Yes,
learn,
sir.
then you are going to learn. Otherwise teacher is paying the attention or he is doing everything for 50%, and even you are
Yes,
not
sir.
paying the attention 50 or 30, so it means you are not curious. Okay.
Sir, it is very true, and it is for each and every field, not only about English speaking.
Hmm.
Because if we want to learn something, we have to contribute 80%
Yes.
or 60%.
Yes, because I'm also giving the time. Like I'm making the PDF, like grammar. Then I also make a lot of things, different things, vocabulary, phrases, idioms, and
Yes, sir.
newspaper, like news article, and vocabulary and topics. So everything I'm doing, and always I think like how I can give more knowledge to our students, how I can provide more value to our students. Always I thought,
Yes.
but
Thank you so much, sir.
yes, but sometimes I think like they are not serious. Like I also started the idioms and advanced structure, which is very valuable, which is very good. But I think no one is interested learning the structure. Okay, so
Sir, the thing about idiom, I already told you that many of the idioms you mentioned in PDF, I already familiar with them, and I personally also started learning new idioms and also write down in my notebook like I learned so many like don't get fresh with me, like for don't get rude with me,
okay.
and not my circus, not my monkeys, not my problem, not my responsibility to resolve it. No cuts, no butts, no coconuts, and
Okay,
I
yes,
learned so many.
good.
Yes, sir. So please don't think that
Yes.
I am not
Okay, now,
modest. I am
yes,
very
I
well.
know everything about it. So, this is a
Yes.
book which I got. Okay. So, in this
Okay,
book,
sir.
there are lots of advanced sentence structure, like English speaking mantra, the power of English speaking mantra. So, there are 100 plus advanced structures which you are not
Okay.
going to just see everywhere. So, you can learn and you can just speak in conversation or meeting. So, it will impact more. Okay.
Yes, sir. Please share advanced structure.
I'm not going to share. If you are going to promise, I will write it in my notebook, and I'm going to send 2 or 3 sentences. Then I will share.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. So first you have to start, then others will follow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Mr.
Okay,
Abdul
sir.
Rahman will also follow. Yes or not, Mr. Abdul Rahman? Are you there?
Yes, brother, I am listening.
Okay.
Your voice.
So yes, I have I have a book. There are some advanced structure which is beyond the sentences, like tenses. You are not going to learn in tense. Okay, so I have shared. So every day I am going to share. So what you have to do, you have to see the structure. Just put in your notebook and diary, and just make 1, 2, or 3 sentences and send in the group. So others get the motivation. Okay, so they are doing it. So let me also start writing and sending in the group. Okay.
Okay, Sheikh.
Yes. So I will
Sir,
send
we
it.
will
Yes, I will send it. And now everything is good.
Okay.
So now we are going to end our today's class here. So assalamu alaikum. Good night. We will meet tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hmm.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.